Alrighty, those are just our par-baked sweet potatoes, and we just smushed them down into the shape of cups here. I'm coming in with some lime chili with beans. I thought this would go really deliciously with the sweet potatoes. And I'm using about a full scoop in each cup. I'm gonna add just a little bit more to a few of these, but I wanted to see if this was gonna be a job that was 1 can or 2. Of course, you can make your own chili. I've got some sour cream here and my smaller cookie scoop, and I am going to add a dollop of sour cream to each of these. Now you can kind of customize this to your liking. You don't have to put sour cream if you don't like it. You could always use some cream cheese in here, whatever really strikes your fancy. But this is gonna be super creamy, delicious, kind of cut the spice of that chili and just give you the best of both worlds here. All right, I'm using some medium cheddar. You can do a Colby Jack, a sharp cheddar, whatever cheese you like. And I'm just putting some shreds right on top here of my chili, my sour cream, my sweet potatoes. And we just kind of par-baked our sweet potatoes. We want them to crisp up in the oven, but we wanted them to be soft enough that we could mold them into the shapes of our delicious cups. Now I'm gonna take some corn here, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of corn on top. We're doing sweet potatoes, but we're kind of doing something a little southwest with that chili. That's the chili lime, our sour cream. I think this is gonna be super delicious, and I just love corn, y'all. I know some people say it doesn't have nutritional value, but you know what? Neither does candy, and I love that too. Alrighty, we are popping these into our oven at 400 degrees. We're gonna have them in there about 20 minutes. Alrighty, everyone, look at our gorgeous sweet potato cups. They came out so good. I cannot wait to give these a go. It has all my favorite things in it: chili, sweet potatoes, corn, sour cream. Oh, this is gonna be so yummy. Let me just get all the way under. And perfect. Ooh! And now it's a little bit like more open faced, but you can see all of the ingredients perfectly go together. Look at that. Oh, that is so good. Y'all, you gotta try this.